This is the race model RLW-1. It's like the RL1, which is our standard machine, except that it's in the wide format. Before, we were doing this very tall bottle with a very tall label, wraps all the way around. It's clear label. To do that, we had the front roller here, not on notch number 1 here, but on notch number 4 out here. So I'm getting it set up to do this small bottle. It's basically just like this bigger bottle, only a lot smaller. So we've got to move it into notch number 1. So it's the closest notch that this roller can go into so that it can fit next to the black roller. Now, when we do that, we have to take these off. We had these on this roller being used as the bottle stop before, when we put that bottle into this roller. But since the roller has to go real snug up against this black roller, those don't fit on there anymore. So we put what we call the gap guide on there, but in this case it becomes the bottle stop. So it becomes the bottle stop for the little bottle, and the little bottle fits in here. The adjustment for the separator plate is look over the top of the bottle and make sure that the bottle is very close to the separator plate, but never touching. Close, but never touching. There's always got to be a little bit of a gap right in here. Close, but never touching. So that's how we set it up for the smaller bottle, and it can be set up for any bottle in between. These two pieces fit back in on this roller once it's out to notch number 3 at least, and bigger. Then you can use these. But for smaller bottles, we use the gap guide as the bottle stop. So that's the only difference. Other than that, the label will go on the same way. Now, this isn't the right label. It's a bigger label, but you can see that it goes on just like it did on the bigger bottle.